Yo, you guys, we are back once again, man, with some new Canon rumors for this lovely R5 camera system that we just so happen to love and cherish with all of our hearts.
Here comes the money!
Canon R5, they disappointed us, man, with the first, I think it was firmware 1.8.1 update that we recently got. We thought we were going to see the 30-minute record limit, being obsolete. That's what they're doing, in the R6 Mark II, the R50, the R7, R8, R10. But yet the R5, the camera that costs almost $4,000, still has a 30-minute record limit. Why? Why is that so? Why is it so hard to get rid of? I mean, you did it before. Delete it. Like, I'm sick of being limited to this 29.59 minutes of record time. Give me to the maximum time that I can get on my SD card. I have a CF Express B card, and that's one of the biggest things. We got CF Express B cards inside this R5, but yet we cannot record past 30 minutes or 29 minutes and 59 seconds, whatever, however picky you want to be. Anyway, so Canon rumor recently dropped some little tidbit notes or whatever. Apparently Canon is going to be replacing this R5 with two new R5s. So it's going to be the R5 Mark II, and then also maybe an R5S, something that Sony is currently doing with their A7 series. They got the Sony A7 3S and 3R. So I want to know, is Canon going to take that up? I don't know if Canon recently did that before with the 5Ds and everything. This is the camera that I started with. I started off with an M50, went to an R, then I went immediately to an R5. So I never got the DSLR versions of the cameras. But yeah, man, I think that's what we're going to get, man. Obviously in the R5 Mark II, we're looking to get, the same capabilities we currently do have in this current R5. But with the 30-minute record limit at least taken away, maybe, they can extend it to an hour, 2 hours, or whatever they want to do. Hopefully we get some more firmware or either in-body stuff that's going to, obsolete the overheating. Who knows what's going to happen with that? I'm scared, but at the same time, I'm ready for it. I'm really looking forward to the R5S because I'm pretty sure the R5S is going to be something that's going to have more resolution, or not even resolution. I guess when you say S, I don't do my research on S cameras, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'm gonna assume that's gonna be a more video focused camera. And if that's the case, that's what I'm probably gonna pick up instead of, doing the R5 Mark II, even if we do have one. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that, man. We got 400 megapixels for the R5 right now. It's currently the highest megapixels a camera can shoot, even though you do have to be on a tripod. I haven't used it, don't plan on using it. It's, I actually took one picture before and the Premiere Pro wouldn't even upload it. So I guess not. Even when I did my 400 megapixels, I think it got down something to like 76 or something like that. So yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, that's what I got for you guys today about the new R5 rumors. Hopefully we see something soon. I don't know, because I'm kind of ready to jump ship to Sony, for their video features, especially with the Sony FX30 and 3 and 30. Those are the cameras I may go look at. I'm not for sure yet because I'm really a Canon fanboy, but this 30-minute record limit is really killing me. No, I don't want to downgrade. I mean, at this point in time, an R6 Mark II is almost like an upgrade, basically. I mean, I lose the 8K capabilities, but I never shoot in 8K. I'm fine with the 7K down simple sensor. Because it don't matter to me. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that rumor about the Canon R5 Mark II. Of course, that's been rumored forever. And then also the Canon R5S. And hopefully we'll get some more details about the Canon R1, which is supposed to be the flagship camera. So that is going to be, whew, that's probably going to be something real nice to get. I'm thinking about $6,000, $6,600. Yeah, that's all I got, man. I'm out of here for real this time. Peace.